Hey guys, welcome back. So last week I did my first ever makeup shopping. Being a first timer who finally wants to learn how to do my own makeup, I had to do some research on the various products I purchased. Today's video, I'm gonna be sharing the important makeups to get as a beginner and why. So guys, the first tip I got when I was purchasing my makeup was to consider the skin tone. So you have to consider your skin tone in foundation, in face powder. But first thing first, you have to get a primer, which I got it from Detail brand, and this primer is really nice because it's like a serum. And it smells good and it has glitter inside and it's quick to dry too. It's really comfortable if you rub it on your face. So the main purpose of this primer is to smoothing out the skin, making it to look more polished and even. You should consider it like prepping up your skin before you put foundation. These also help in preventing pimples outbreak, because sometimes face powder tends to get your pores clog, especially when you're sweating. So this also helps with that. So this is the first layer of first thing you have to apply to your face before you can start applying your makeups. So after that, you can apply a foundation. But when purchasing our foundation, your skin tone, so in order to test for your skin tone, you can ask the sales lady to wherever you are going to purchase your makeup to be able to help you. Well, if you don't have idea and if you're a first timer like I was, you just ask the sales lady there for help. Open up to them, tell them, don't be ashamed that you're a first time and you want to learn. It's not bad to learn something, right? So because of this pandemic, I think it's not allowed, but you can still ask them. They have testers there. You just take a bit of the foundation, try it on your hand, and you can use your fingers. You just mix it. And you see everything blend well and it's not even showy. Like, your foundation should not be brighter than your skin tone, nor should it be darker than your skin tone. You just have to get that perfect look, that perfect foundation, that you don't have to apply every foundation to your neck to cover it up. You just have to blend with your skin very, very well. I also got this concealer. This concealer is very important as well. It helps to cover up blemishes, and it's even used for your eyes. And for me, I'm always having eye bags, so you just have to, it helps to cover your eye bags as well. And for this concealer, it came with a brush, so this is also good. Like, after you do your eyebrows, you can also kind of clean your eyebrows with this concealer as well. So I got this make brows. I didn't go with the pencil because the sales lady told me that as a beginner, it's really much harder at first to use pencil. So eyebrows pencil, not writing pencil, guys, sorry. to use eyebrow pencil, so you have to go with this type of brows maker. And this one came with 2 shades, so it came with our brows brush. So what I was told is that if you want it a bit darker, you can just add a bit of water, not too much. You can just flash your water here and apply it on your brows, so it's much okay. Powder, both I got pressed powder and loose powder, so this is like setting up your makeup, to blend well with the foundation and the concealer on your face. And this is like, we call it baking powder. Mostly they use it under your eyes after they apply the concealer to help blend well. You can also use this for setting up your contour. Well, I know this is not really a first timer makeup set, but I had to go with this. Well, I just wanted to learn faster, and it's better to learn bigger. So I went with this contour, and it's 4-in-1. It's hydrated contour, bronze, highlighter, and blush. So contouring is used to make up or create illusion of shadow. You can use this contour to create slimmer nose, or here in the Philippines they call it pointed nose, sorry. And it's really good. It gives you our killer cheekbones and give you a better shape of face. For the bronzes, create varieties of effects, healthier growing skin, sun-kissed look, and it's really flashy. And for the highlighter, to get attraction when they see you, be like, wow, she looks so good, she looks so pretty. For blushes, it's really everyday for blush. Yeah, makes you look like you have a healthy skin, and like, if you see your crush, you don't really have to blush. There's already a blush on. So I got this Magnum lipstick. This is what I'm using on my lip, and it's called Fia, F-I-A, and it's really good. I'm not really a fan of super bright lipstick, so I just went with this one. It's kind of cute. So must go on is your mascara. So this mascara has mascara and also our eyeliner, but I don't really know how to use this eyeliner, so I always go with this mascara. So for natural looks, you have to go. There are some tips you have to go with. For natural look or for everyday look, just go with your primer, your light foundation, your mascara. If you know how to do your eyeliner, like if you want to have a cat eyes, that's your go-go. You use your pressed powder and your lipstick. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Like and share. So if you're a newcomer, welcome. There's a lot of exciting videos to come.